Hello, namaste, how are you all? I'm fine, hope the same from your side. You know that every time I tell that we should live happily, we should have a life with full of satisfaction, with content, to have all these things. What we should have in the beginning? What we should not have. We should not have any regrets. Oh, I should have studied well when I was in school. If you have such regrets, tell me, can you be happy in your life? No, never. You are knowing most people on their deathbeds do not regret what they have done. They rather regret what they haven't. Hence, it is important to do everything that we want to do by preparing to-do list. Daily, what to-do list? Today morning, what all the work I should do. So this things to-do list is a must. And you know, the best way to be happy is, of course, to live intensely in the present. We should live in the present. Don't live in the past because it is a cancelled check. You can't make use of it now. Don't think about tomorrow because it is a promissory note. So we should have the practice of living in the present. Plan at least 6 happiness breaks every day. And you are knowing, the research shows us that it is an accumulation of several small minute-to-minute happiness creating activities that lead to a happy life rather than the one big award or achievement. It is small things, whatever you do. You feed your little doggy, that is also you are knowing, happiness break. So these small breaks, when they are joined together, they make or they create our happy life. And many of the regrets which many people have in their deathbed, the research shows that not traveling more. They feel, I had such a lot of money, I could have traveled. Losing touch with friends. As they grow old, they won't be knowing where their friends are. But nowadays, because of the mobile and all, it has become very easy. But in the olden days, it was very difficult. Not exercising enough. They feel, if I would have exercised very well for physical fitness, I would have been more healthy. Not saving more money. They feel that I should have saved more money, which I would have used it. Taking up smoking, in the same way drinking or any bad habits, liquor, anything. They feel that why I was smoking, because of that I have become weak in health. Why? Because I was a drunkard, all the people have gone from me. They feel like that. They regret. Being lazy at school, as I told you, many of us feel, oh, we should have studied well when I was young, when I was at school. But can I change it now? No, never. Wrong choice of career. Because my friend went there, I too went. It is the worst thing, That is why, or because many times parents force, especially in India it happens. No, you should choose your own career according to your passion. Wasting years with the wrong partner. And 80% of our happiness or sorrow depends on our partner. So we should be very, very careful while choosing the partner. Eating unhealthy. We should eat healthy, as I told, for good health. Not junk food and all. And many times they feel not interacting with the parents and grandparents. So it is a must that we should have good interaction with the parents, grandparents, or even with our children as well. Otherwise, nowadays we see what happens around us. Very recently, a very bad incident happened with my friend, which I even today, about 15 days back. All of a sudden, she had a heart attack. We don't know, night time and her husband was already bedridden. The next day, when the maid came, she knocked the door. She rang the bell when the door was not opened. People, police were called, and when they opened the door, they saw it. If you are interested, I will make a next video on that. So, we should have good contacts with the people. And apart from that, let me give you some tips so that we will have a regret-free life. Say no to regrets. If your decision turns out wrong, it is all right. Everyone makes mistakes. So don't cry over spilled milk and make it salty for the cat. So we should not cry over our mistake, because you are knowing to err is human. We are also human beings. So let it be. It might have happened by mistake. Let it be. Next time I won't repeat the mistake. Avoid making the same mistake twice. See, once, okay, to err is because you are a human. But if you commit the mistake twice, you are knowing it will become a habit. And that is why we should take care that if we have committed the mistake once, we should not repeat it again. Believe that you are a winner and a warrior. Nothing can really stand in your way. If it does, find a way around it or over it. How you can overcome it. So always have the self-belief. Believe in yourself. Yes, I can overcome. If you fall, dust yourself off. Get up and go. Try something new. There is no dishonor in falling down, only in remaining down. Even if you fall down, nothing wrong. Get up, jump again. So whatever work we do, even if we are wrong in the okay, doesn't matter. Again get up and start doing. Listen to yourself in silence. Celebrate what you have done and give yourself a pat on the back. So you should always appreciate yourself when you have done the good things. Think of ways to make others happy. A smile, an encouraging word, toys, blankets, money, whatever you can. Make others happy. If you don't have anything, at least a sweet smile will make others happy. Encouraging words will make others happy. So always try to make others happy. Forget the past. Enjoy the present. And tomorrow is another day. Remember it. Forget the past because it will never come again. It is a cancelled check. Enjoy the present because it is hard cash. Tomorrow is another day. So, enjoy yourself. Don't regret for anything. Be happy in life. Wish you all the best.